We got another package. Let's open it.
Alright, here's the package. Let's do this. Alright. Oh, there he is. Gojo Sensei. He has his tag too. That's the cool part. I got him for a very decent price. Alright, let's put him out. Oh my gosh. Look at that. The Jujutsu Kaisen tag. Look at that. That's sick. Size comparison to Hero. I mean Yuji and Fushiguro. And there's the size comparison. They are all the same size, which is a good thing. So yeah. Here's his blindfold, and if you put it up, you can find that his eyes under it, right there. And his feet, the back of his head right there. And he has a string like always. All great Eastern plushes come with a string. So yeah, that was Gojo Sensei.